Welcome to day 16 of Vim tip of the day. Today, I wanted to show you how to move to a specific line very quickly. So first of all, let's turn on the numbering. So if you hit colon and set number, that turns on line numbering on your file. So if you are a programmer, you often see these errors where it tells you what error your line is on. So let's jump to line 33. You hit escape colon 33 to jump to the line. But like anything else on Vim, there's always a different way to do it. You can also type 4 for the line number and uppercase G. That also jumps you to line 4. A G by itself, uppercase, will jump to the end of the file, and GG, lowercase, will jump to the beginning of the file. I personally like just doing colon $sign to jump to the end of the file, or colon 0 to jump to the 0th line of the file. Then if you are currently on a screen and you want to jump to the bottom of that screen, you use uppercase L for last, capital M for middle, and H for home. As you can see, there are many different ways to navigate by line in Vim. I'm going to go home now with colon 0. Thanks for watching.